Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you have ever had a website idea but stopped because of the complexity or cost, you are not alone. I recently came across a platform called SiteGPT, which is an AI website builder. I wanted to see what it's all about and how it works, and I'll share what I found. SiteGPT is a tool that uses artificial intelligence to generate a website for you based on a text description. You provide details on what you need and the platform creates a site designed for the purpose. The goal is to make the initial step of getting a website up and running less complicated. The initial setup process is designed to be fast. After entering your request, AI generates a website layout and content. This can save you a significant amount of time compared to building a site from scratch. In this video itself, I'll be creating one plumber website and you will see how fast it works and what is cost to you. The user experience is straightforward. You can add your own images, text and other elements. It's built for users who might not have experience with web design. The best part is it offers a free options to start, which can be useful for testing the platform to see if it meets your needs before committing to a paid plan. And all the websites built with SiteGPT are optimized to work on different devices. So it is a responsive website. It will work on tablets, mobiles, and desktop. This is an important feature as most web traffic today comes from mobile devices. While the AI provides the initial structure, you have the ability to change content and some design elements. This allows you to personalize the site beyond the initial AI generation version. SiteGPT appears to be a practical tool for people who need a functional website without the time or technical skills required for traditional development. It could be suitable for freelancers, small business owners, or anyone with a personal project who wants to get a site online quickly. However, if you require a highly complex, custom-coded website with advanced functionalities, a solution like this might not provide the level of control or depth you need. Now let's head to the creation of plumber website I talked about. Now this is the main front page of the website, and here you can enter the business name. Like I'm going to add California Plumbers. And let's build my free website. Now it is asking what kind of industry are you in. Just give it the information: plumbing services, and it will ask for the location. You can give it the location or skip. I'm giving the location California. Okay. Now would you like to display your business phone number on your new website? Let's give it a random number. It's gonna be this. What do you know about your customers? Yes, both female and male. Now it also gives you option to use the logos it provides. You can get them as you like. These logos are based on the plumbing services, and you can simply take any of these. These are pretty good actually. This looks good. Let me take this one. And now let's click on next. It is also asking you to pick a color palette. Let's go with this one. Okay, and generate site. Now here you can see it is working. We are building your site now. Hang tight while we craft your stunning website with AI magic. You can see it is selecting images, generating unique content. It is also optimizing it for SEO. And now after the end, they are reviewing the grammar and style. Since it is an AI website, there may be mistakes in spellings. So all done. Here you can see the website is built. And this is the phone number we gave. It should be in the top menu as well. Here is that, and there is a contact us section, our services, about us, and you can change them all to customize as per your needs. Now this website is ready, and it did not take much time. was around 1 minute. So we have this form, we have the location, the mission, everything is here, and you can see the pages, home page. You can also create a new page from your side if you want, and if you see the page sections, they are here. You can change them to your liking. You can change the photo, video, whatever, title, the description, or you can rearrange these things to your liking. Let's put our mission at behind our services. So this is our mission now. Here you can see, and then there is a footer section. You can add more stuff here at the footer. Here you can see for now it is contact us and menu. You can add more from here, so it works really well. We have this website up and running now. At above you can see it is californiaplumbers.oursite.co. you can add your custom domain as well, but let's see this website first. At the moment you can see this website is resting on this URL, californiaplumbers.oursite.co, but you can definitely add your own domain name if you want by clicking here, and then you can simply join today for free and choose your own domain name. Now your website is built, but it will be deleted in 24 hours if you do not create an account. It is free to create an account, so let's do it by clicking over here and supply the information. Let me do it and come back. Okay, I have just created my account so that my website remains, otherwise it would have been deleted in 24 hours. Now make sure to confirm the email you get from confirmation email. I'm doing that. Email has been confirmed. Now I can go to my account and see the website I have just created. I had created one more earlier, but this is the website which I created just now in this video itself. Now you can also add a custom domain, and you can get it from here and then add the domain name. It's a free plan. You can also go ahead and upgrade to use your domain. For using your own domain you need to pay, and this is the price, $96 per year, and basic monthly plan is $10 per month. Free custom domain, unlimited pages, custom pages. So that's it. And one more thing I wanted to show you, that it is a responsive website. Let me show you that by see here now. It is a responsive website. So that's it. If you have any questions, let me know in comments. I'll try to answer all your questions. Thank you.